So, hey guys, welcome back to Triple K Tubers.
We are back in front of you with a new topic, vaccination. As you can see now, the situation in India is very critical due to COVID-19. To take the control of the situation, Indian government is taking many steps in which vaccinating is a crucial one. So recently government told that every person above the age of 18 will be vaccinated from 2nd May 2021. So in this video, we are going to tell how should we register to get a vaccine. So first of all, let's discuss who should not register or who should get registered to vaccine. Firstly, persons below the age of 18 should not take the vaccine. And second, persons who has a medical history of allergies or person who are allergic to any medical medicines should not take the vaccine. And thirdly, pregnant ladies or lactating mothers should not take the vaccine. And finally, people who are suffering from COVID-19 or people who are in plasma therapy for COVID-19 should not take the vaccine. And all the persons except the before mentioned ones can take the vaccine. Going into the registration part, you require 4 things to register for vaccine. The first thing is a mobile or a PC with active internet facility. And the second thing is Aadhaar card. Third one is an active mobile number. And with one mobile number, you can log in or you can register 4 members. Right, and last thing is photo ID. First of all, let's see how to get registered using our PC. So open your browser and go to the search bar and type selfregistration.cowin.gov.in. We will provide you the link in our description. So click on that. After clicking on the link, you will be getting a website and you will be getting a space to enter your mobile number. Enter your mobile number there. After entering the mobile number, click on get OTP button. So after clicking on the button, you will be receiving an OTP for the mobile number and enter the OTP there. After entering your OTP, click on verify and proceed. So you can see here there is a button with register member. So click on that button and now you can see here it is asking a photo ID proof. I am selecting Aadhaar card here. And after that enter your Aadhaar card number, 12-digit Aadhaar card number, and after that enter the name as per your Aadhaar card. After entering your name, select the gender. So there are 3 options: male, female and others. Select your gender and at finally enter your year of birth as per the Aadhaar card. And after completing, click on the register button. So you can see here member registered successfully and you will be getting the details of the member who is registered, and click on the schedule button to get scheduled, and this is it. So now let's see how to get registered for COVID-19 vaccine using Arogya Setu app. Go to Arogya Setu app in your mobile and you can see that at the top there is a button called vaccination. So click on that button. As soon as you click on the button, you will be getting a space to enter your mobile number. Enter your mobile number there and click on proceed to verify. Then you will be getting a column to enter your OTP which is received to the mobile number, and enter the OTP and click on proceed to verify. And select an ID and enter that ID number. So ID in the sense Aadhaar card or driving license or passport or etc. After entering the number, enter your name and click select the gender and enter your year of birth. Right, and at last click on submit. You can see here beneficiary name added. This is how we register for COVID-19 vaccine. And thank you guys for watching the video until the end. I hope you liked the content in the video, and please share this video with your friends if you find this valuable. Please subscribe the channel if you are watching it for the first time, and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video. Thank you guys.